cool. So, I want to introduce you to our captain and our vessel. This is Captain Jornice. She's U.S. Coast Guard certified. She's going to be driving us around the city, so let's have some applause for our captain. Yeah, there we go. And she is going to be taking us safely on land and on water. This vessel, one of our 28 vehicles, is Miss Annie Aquarium. So as you may have gathered, she's themed for the New England Aquarium. One of our dock stops, we have 3, as you may have also gathered. The Prudential Center is one of them. And since we're coming from the Prudential Center, I do want to introduce you guys to a site that we're going to see first, which you don't really get to see from the other routes. So as we make our next turn, you're going to be looking at the Christian Science Plaza, world headquarters of the Christian Science religion. And this is the largest privately owned plot of land in the city of Boston. So it's like 13.5 acres. So talk about like real estate, you know what I mean? It's going to be visible. It's on our northeast corner right now. That's your east, right? Yeah, okay, great. Yep. And that was the Christian Science religion was founded by Mary Baker Eddy in 1879, one of the first world religions founded by a woman. Also in the Christian Science Plaza, there's a reflecting pool, and you're going to be able to see it past the lovely fountain feature here. 689 feet long, 101 feet wide, 2 feet deep, and your planet is so small that when they were constructing the Christian Science Plaza, they had to account for the curvature of the surface of the Earth while constructing that pool. Keep the water in the pool. And gravity rolls and all that jazz. Very nice. Also in the Christian Science Plaza is the Maparium. That's inside the Mary Baker Eddy Library. The Maparium is a 3-story tall stained glass rendition of the Earth. You can walk across it on a sky bridge. It is gorgeous, beautiful. Okay, so I have to reiterate some safety points, although I know you all heard that really